Hello, Klaus here from Planet ETN, and here comes a short guide how to move money from the ETN wallet to a MetaMask wallet and install the MetaMask. I'm on Windows here, and I'm using Chrome browser, but this works in Mac and Linux, and you can use all kinds of web browser, Edge and Brave and other popular ones, is no problem at all. So here we go. This is Google search, and I'm gonna start there. This is just a normal Google Chrome. So I'm gonna Google MetaMask. It's there, and we find metamask.io. Yeah, that's the correct one. So we go in here, we click MetaMask up in the corner, and now it wants to install this little extension to Chrome. So yes, I want to do that. Add extensions, and now we can see up here that it's downloading, and you know, the wheel is spinning here. It takes a few seconds to install it. Let's have a look. And here we go. Now something was installed, and yeah, we can see we are on this landing page now. Perfect. And up here you see now you have this little extension puzzle icon. If you click that, you have MetaMask installed now as an extension, and we can actually pin it. So you always see this little orange fox here, which is the MetaMask symbol and logo, you know. Here he is again in nice 3D following the cursor. So next step, we want to create the wallet. So I'm going to do this now, and I'm going to use a secret recovery phrase type here. So first I need to add a password. And, you know, always have secure password, capital letter, special character, number, you know, just make sure, and maybe minimum 10 characters, something like that. Just make sure you have a secure password, you know. If I lose this password, MetaMask can't reset it. Yes. Does that mean that I've lost access to my funds? No, because next step here we're going to see this recovery seed phrase, which is the most important one. If you lose this password, you can actually set up everything with the recovery phrase. This password is just to make login and such things easier, so you don't need this recovery phrase all the time. So this password just it should be secure as well, but it's a front layer kind of to access. So create password. Next, we have this recovery phrase. So this is the most important part. This is your 12-word seed phrase, recovery seed phrase, and these are super important. So as long as you have these 12 words, you know, saved somewhere, you are able to recover your wallet, you know, on another computer or something like this. So write these down, you know. Some people, they do it on, you know, a piece of paper, which is a good thing. And let me see here if I can just, I want to do a little screenshot of this. Let's see if I can just add that here. There we go. So next step here, it's going to ask you, it wants me to fill out, just to confirm that I've written down everything. So it's dinosaur. Yes, dinosaur. And what was the number 9? Vast. And what was number 10? Letter. Okay, so we confirmed that we have everything written down. Perfect. Yeah, sure, why not? There, your wallet is ready. Done. Yeah. Here we go now. So now I have logged in to this wallet, and we can see I have 0 funds, etc. Now this is a Ethereum wallet. So the first address that I have here is the Ethereum. What we want to do next here is we want to add a custom network, and there is a nice site for this. You can see here are the popular Ethereum, Base, Solana, etc., Avalanche, Binance Chain, etc. These are the popular ones in this list. Maybe one day in the future, when Electroneum is huge, we're going to see it in this list. That would be nice. But we need to add a custom network. You can do it like this, add custom network, but we don't want to do this because there's an easier way. So we're going to go to chainlist.org. Here we go. And up here, we can, this is a website that just lists all these different EVM chains, and it's helping people to connect and do these things. So that's why I want to show this, because this makes everything so much easier. I write ETN here in the search. I find Electroneum Mainnet, and it's 52014. Yes, so connect wallet. And now when I click connect wallet, it asks the MetaMask extension in Chrome here. So I want to connect, and now it asks, do you want to add this custom network to your MetaMask? Yes, I approve. And what happens now? Well, now I have in this list custom Electroneum Mainnet. And we can see here is all the data that I don't need to fill this out anymore, because I can use this nice little tool at Chainlist to just quickly add it. So now I can jump between Ethereum. Now it's in the Ethereum, and if I click this again and I go to custom, I can do Electroneum, and now I am in this Electroneum. So next step. I'm going to transfer some funds to this new ETN, and I'm going to do that from my ETN app. So let's go receive, and receive on Electroneum Mainnet. You know, the addresses are all the same except Solana here, you can see, because these are EVM wallets. Let me zoom in a little bit. These are EVM wallets, so you can see that it's the same address on Ethereum and Base, etc. So it's the same. I can click this to get this a QR code, which is nice, you know, to have, because the ETN app can scan QR code. So all I do in my Electroneum standard app is I click pay, I choose scan QR code, and I'm gonna scan this little QR code there. There we go. So how much do I want to transfer? I'm just gonna do 20 ETN now. I'm gonna review, confirm and pay, add your PIN code. And there we go. Outgoing transaction, you know, this is super fast because it's Electroneum. So it should only be a few more seconds. And there we go. You saw 20 ETN is now in my wallet. So now I can send these, etc., etc. So, I mean, that's how easy it really is. I don't know how long is this video now. It's quite short, and with, you know, just a Chrome browser, install MetaMask, jump to Chainlist, search ETN, add to MetaMask, and you're ready to go. So I hope this was useful. I will do more videos and guides for Electroneum going forward. This is the first one. Thank you.